Well, they haven't opened the doors yet. We're here for the actual grand opening, Volcano Bay. Here we are.
Right here, man. New York, representing. Right here. Yeah. Drop.
Cheers to America.
We're gonna need the jaws of life, boys. We're gonna need to cut it open. We're gonna need to cut it open. We need to know. We're about to bring out the big gun. Oh yeah. This guy designed the park, man. Now he's got the drill. Hey, he designed the park. Look at my man. I got the whole video going. This guy my man designed the park. Hey, and he ain't too good to pick up a drill. Mi hermano from Puerto Rico. Hey!
Had lockbox issues, ain't gonna hold us back. We're going for the big slides. Let's do this. My boy right here, UK. We got Anthony Joshua, Tyson Fury. Who you got?
AJ.
AJ.
All day.
Oh my God.
AJ.